Ever seen chicken cooked like this? Welcome to the wild kitchen, where nature is the chef. We start by marinating a whole chicken with local spices. Then wrap it in banana leaves for flavor and protection. Now comes the twist. We coat it entirely in clay. After that, it's straight into the fire pit. No pots, no pans. As the clay hardens, it locks in all the smoky flavor. Once cooked, just crack it open. And boom, perfectly tender, juicy chicken straight from nature's oven. Would you try this ancient cooking technique? Let us know in the comments.